Hello? Where are you now?
I am near the supermarket.
Why do you sound worried?
I cannot find my wallet.
When did you see it last?
I saw it this morning.
Did you use it anywhere?
Yes, at the bakery.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, many times.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, it is not there.
Are you at the bakery now?
No, I am outside the supermarket.
Can you call the bakery?
Yes, I will call them.
What did they say?
They found a wallet.
Is it yours?
They're checking now.
What color is your wallet?
It is brown.
Did you tell them that?
Yes, I did.
What happened then?
They said it matches.
Are you going there now?
Yes, I am walking there.
How far is it?
Only 5 minutes away.
Did anyone take money from it?
They said everything is inside.
That is good news.
Yes, I feel relieved.
Will you be careful next time?
Absolutely. I was so scared I lost everything, but I got it back safely. I will never be careless again. Why are you still at home? Don't tell me you missed the bus again. I missed the bus. I woke up late. Didn't I warn you yesterday? I know. I slept again. I set the alarm for you last night. I turned it off and went back to sleep. How can you be so careless? I am really sorry. Did the bus already leave? Yes, it left. Did you try to catch it? Yes, but it was gone. What time did it leave? About 10 minutes ago. And you did not even call me? I was too scared to tell you. All right, breathe. I feel really bad. Eat something first. Okay, I will. Did you pack your bag last night? Yes, it is ready. Are you ready now? Yes, I am ready. You keep wasting your time like this. It affects your future. I understand now. Your teacher will ask why you are late. What should I tell her? Tell her the truth. Never lie. Okay, I will tell her. From tomorrow, sleep early. No phone at night. Yes, I will sleep early. I will drive you today. Thank you, Mom. But this is the last time. I promise. I will never miss the bus again. I really learned my lesson today.
Why is everything suddenly dark?
The power just went out.
Did it happen in the whole area?
Yes, everything is off.
Did you check outside?
Yes, all the streetlights are off too.
Call the electricity office now.
I am calling them.
What did they say?
There is a technical fault.
When will it come back?
Maybe in 1 hour.
1 hour is too long.
They said they are working on it.
Bring candles immediately.
I am getting them.
Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are fine.
Is phone battery enough?
Yes, mine is full.
Tell your sister to save her battery.
Okay, I will tell her now.
What about the food in the fridge?
It will be fine for a few hours.
What are the neighbors doing?
Everyone is outside.
Any workers yet?
Yes, they just arrived.
How many workers are there?
I can see 3 of them.
Are they working on the main line?
Yes, they have their tools out.
How long have they been working?
About 15 minutes now.
Wait, lights are back?
Yes, it is back.
Thank God. I was getting very worried. Good. Always remember how dependent we are on small things like electricity.
Did you forget the cake? Is everything ready?
I am at the bakery. I found the perfect cake.
Which one did you choose?
Chocolate cake.
Is it big enough for everyone?
Yes, it will be enough.
Is the name written on it?
They are writing it now.
What does it say?
Happy birthday, Emma.
Perfect. She will love that.
It looks really beautiful.
Did you get candles?
Yes, I got 12.
What about the plates and forks?
I already packed them.
Bring drinks, too.
Okay, I am getting them now.
What flavor drinks?
Strawberry and orange.
Good. That covers everyone.
Should I get something for the decoration too?
Yes. Get some balloons if you can.
Okay, the shop is right next to me.
How long will you take?
About 15 minutes.
Everyone is already here waiting.
Tell them I am almost there.
Emma is asking where you went.
Tell her it is a surprise.
Okay, hurry up.
I am at the checkout now.
Emma will be so happy today.
Yes, she really deserves this.
Hurry home.
I am coming, and today will be unforgettable for her.
Is everything okay there?
I am at the hospital.
Tell me about your father.
Doctor is checking him.
Is it serious?
A little, but stable.
What did the doctor say?
He has not come out yet.
I am really worried.
Try to stay calm.
How long have you been waiting?
Almost 2 hours now.
That must be so hard.
Yes, it is exhausting.
Did you eat anything?
No, not yet.
Please eat something.
I will try.
Is anyone else with you?
No, I came alone.
Should I come there?
No, stay home. I will call you.
At least drink some water.
Okay, I will.
Did the doctor come out yet?
Not yet. Still waiting.
How is your father looking?
He was in pain earlier.
I cannot stop thinking about him.
He is a fighter. He will be okay.
Which ward is he in?
The cardiac observation ward.
That sounds important.
Yes, but the nurses said it is normal procedure.
Did the doctor come out?
Yes, just now.
What did he say?
Condition is stable.
Thank God.
Yes, I feel so relieved right now.
Go eat something now, please.
He only needs observation now. And I finally feel some peace after hours of fear.